We're online. Yesterday was my birthday. Nobody took me out. But it was not a sad day. So today, while I wait for a client who is delaying our appointment, I decided to see a movie. You know, this kind of time, early in the morning, when it will be only you in the theater, best time to watch a movie. You can laugh how you like. Before it's time for the movie, why don't I use these few minutes in the restroom to make an episode of Nanny Chronicles. Welcome to Amebo Corner. My name is still Judith. So where did I leave off? The nanny disappeared with a toilet infection and my sister was on narrow. You still they pay me. Okay, so I said I spoke to my local saloonist. I asked her if she knew anybody who wanted the kind of job I was offering, a go and come nanny. I offered 20k then. She said she will ask around. I'm like, don't just ask around now, that's too short. Can I put a notice in front of your shop? And she permitted me, so I wrote a notice with charcoal on wood and put it in front of her shop. While I was writing the notice, there's this lady that always comes around when I'm in that salon. She's like, she knows somebody, her sister. I'm like, has this person done this kind of job before? She's like, yes, she does it. Madam traveled for the Christmas. That's why she's even thinking of looking for another job. And I'm like, okay, let her see me. After a few days, they come to see me. This lady happens to be very slim, beautiful. She was 34 years of age. She has 2 children. She's separated from her husband. And she seemed quiet. She wasn't too talkative in the meeting. But she didn't want to be a go and come nanny. She wanted to be a living nanny. She needed a place to stay. I was okay with the way she looked and the way she sounded that day. And so I accepted. And so I accepted, but I didn't exactly increase the salary. I said, okay, this month we'll do a probation for you. You remain at 20k. If you do well, next month we'll get to 25k. You do know she will stay, I'll feed her, such things. Our work will basically be take care of the children, take care of the house. So we started our job. And so I was like, at last, I've seen a nanny that seems good, that won't give me any problem. Especially when she woke up the next morning quite early and started cleaning the house. I'm like, at last. Maybe I said at last too fast. Okay, 3 minutes, 18 seconds. I think I've done enough for today. Tomorrow, I'll probably tell you why at last was too fast. Let me go and watch my movie. Have a splendid day. Have a splendid day. Splendid. Mwah.